Okay, welcome back. Now that you've mastered flying your Cessna 172 in clouds, we're going to apply exactly the same principle to the Cessna 172 flying at night. And obviously once we've cracked that, we'll be taking off and landing at night and repeating pretty much everything we've done so far on the course, but in the dark. Okay, it's sunset. As you can see, the sun's going down. It is in real time, so I'm going to get the aircraft up to altitude and then I'll pause it and then restart the film, so don't worry about that. That's all in the editing, you know. Instruments. The same as on the last exercise. We're flying south. This time we can see where we're going. It's not gone quite dark yet. South up to 2,000 feet, and then we'll level off again. We'll go east. Set the transponder 7,000. Turn it on. Yeah. 2,000 feet, level out. Throttle back, trim. Let's bring it round onto east. I think 30 degrees back this time. Roll out. Trim. Okay, all we got to do now is wait for the sun to go down. So I'm going to pause it there. Good. Some pressures, all right. That's definitely not good. Not like that. If I were flying along and that happened, even though this was showing no signs of a problem, I would definitely start heading back to the field. Okay, well, we'll do our night flying next. Not good. Got the engine throttled right back. Trim for 70 knots because we have to assume that engine's going to stop at any moment. And one thing I don't want to fly is a bonfire. Okay, so I'm making emergency landing. I'll just call air traffic control. Streaming smoke. Suspect fire. Making immediate emergency landing. End of transmission, and then I'm going to ditch it straight back in the airport there. They will alert all the fire service as we talk. And hopefully we'll be there to meet me when I get down. Lots of blue lights and foam and things. Temperature's okay, pressure's okay. Meter showing positive. Everything seems cool. Go down a bit faster. Okay. Raise the nose. Trim. Across the controls now. Right rudder. Attempt to lose massive amounts of height really quick because I want to get this bird on the ground rapid like yesterday. I don't want to bury the nose into the ground. That engine could stop. I'm not even going to rely on it at all. Okay. One stage of flaps, 2 stages of flaps. Fuel. Turn the fuel off, which is that knob down there. And just roll to the fire engines. That was very worrying. I don't know what that was. If I was flying, that's not what I'd like to see. At all. Well, there you go, emergency landing. Bit of a suspect engine problem. Thanks for watching.